Hello folks, this is Steve A.B4L. We're going to take a look at the intersection through the windscreen after the yesterday through the night gang that was out there messing with the road, digging the road, trenching the road to put the water pipeline across. See, steel plate ahead. There's nobody behind me. Now these, you see the little thing here that's green? That's the compactor that can get down in the trench. That was the white thing, was the lights. I don't know what some of the stuff is on the left. These trucks here are electrical. They were here last week to strengthen the poles on the left side of the road junction, and it looks like that's partly what they're up to right now after last night's digging down here at the base of this. Now I'm just going to go across. Something's tickling my throat. Pardon me. Because they, on the side where you saw them working just now, they put a 90-degree angle cap on the pipe that's in the ground, and in other words, to make the water pipeline make a 90-degree and come in the direction of the corner there. And actually the length came down to the corner. I think they probably give the day off to the crew, because they did literally work all night, right through the night. There was hardly any traffic on 64, at least for the time I was out there peeking at what they were doing from up there on the bluff. And again, if you were coming back this way, there's nobody behind me. You're warned there's a steel plate, and it's right here. There we go. It's a series of plates. Now, there's not a hole under that. That's filled up to just deep, the plates are filling in a depth that is the asphalting depth. Got that? So the base down where they trenched is all filled in, compacted, and ready for just the asphalt layer. That's what the steel plates are. Steve A.B4L just running his mouth, saying see you at 73.